Hand back.
To return something to its owner.
Please hand back the forms when done. Hand down.
To pass something to a younger generation.
The recipe was handed down for generations. Hand in.
To submit something officially.
Hand in your assignments by Friday. Hand out.
To distribute something.
Please hand out the leaflets. Hand over.
To give control or possession to someone.
He handed over the keys. Hang about.
To wait or stay somewhere idly.
We hung about outside for an hour. Hang around.
To spend time somewhere without a purpose.
They hang around the mall after school. Hang back.
To stay behind while others move forward.
He hung back, unsure of what to do. Hang on. To wait briefly.
To hold tightly.
Hang on a minute, please. Hang out.
To spend time relaxing socially.
We hung out at the beach all day. Hang up.
To end a phone call, to put on a hook.
She hung up before I could reply. Hash out.
To discuss and resolve a problem thoroughly.
They hashed out the details of the deal. Head back.
To return towards a place.
Let's head back before it gets dark. Head for.
To move towards a place or situation.
We're heading for trouble if we're late. Head off.
To prevent something from happening, to leave.
They headed off the crisis early. Head out.
To leave, especially to start a journey.
We're heading out at dawn. Hear from.
To receive communication from someone.
Have you heard from her lately? Hear of.
To know about something's existence.
I've never heard of that place. Heat up.
To become warmer, to become more intense.
The competition really heated up. Help out.
To assist someone.
Could you help out with the dishes? Hem in.
To surround and restrict someone.
She felt hemmed in by all the rules. Hinge on.
To depend entirely on something.
The outcome hinges on the weather. Hit back.
To retaliate against criticism or attack.
The senator hit back at the accusations. Hit off.
To get along with someone immediately.
They hit it off right away. Hit on.
To think of an idea suddenly.
She hit on a brilliant solution. Hold back.
To restrain yourself or something.
She held back her tears. Hold down.
To keep a job, to keep under control.
He struggled to hold down a job. Hold off.
To delay doing something.
Let's hold off on the decision for now. Hold on.
To wait, to grip tightly.
Hold on, I'll be right there. Hold out.
To survive or last in difficult conditions.
The supplies won't hold out much longer. Hold up.
To delay, to remain strong.
Sorry, I got held up in traffic. Hole up.
To hide somewhere for a period of time.
They holed up in a cabin for the winter. Hollow out.
To remove the inside of something.
They hollowed out the pumpkin. Hook up.
To connect equipment, to meet up with someone.
Let's hook up the speakers. Hurry up.
To do something faster.
Hurry up, we're going to be late. Hush up.
To prevent information from becoming known.
They tried to hush up the scandal. Iron out.
To resolve small problems or difficulties.
We need to iron out a few details. Jack up.
To raise, especially a price.
They jacked up the prices before the holidays. Jazz up.
To make something more interesting or lively.
She jazzed up the report with some charts. Join in.
To participate in an activity.
Everyone joined in the fun. Join up.
To enlist in an organization, especially the army.
He joined up right after school. Jot down.
To write something quickly.
Let me jot down your number. Jump at.
To accept an opportunity eagerly.
She jumped at the chance to travel. Jump in.
To enter a conversation or activity suddenly.
Feel free to jump in with questions. Keep at.
To persist with something difficult.
Keep at it and you'll improve. Keep away.
To stay at a distance.
Keep away from the edge. Keep back.
To hold something in reserve. To stay behind.
The barrier kept the crowd back. Keep down.
To prevent from rising. To suppress.
Try to keep your voice down. Keep off.
To avoid touching or entering.
Keep off the grass. Keep on.
To continue doing something.
Keep on trying. You're close. Keep out.
To stay outside or prevent entry.
Keep out of the restricted area. Keep to.
To stick to a plan or subject.
Let's keep to the original schedule. Keep up.
To maintain the same pace or standard.
I can't keep up with all these emails. Keep up with.
To stay level with someone or something.
It's hard to keep up with technology. Key in.
To enter data using a keyboard.
Key in your password to continue. Kick back.
To relax.
We just kicked back and watched TV. Kick in.
To start to take effect.
The medicine should kick in soon. Kick off.
To begin an event.
The concert kicks off at 8. Kick out.
To force someone to leave.
He was kicked out of the club. Kill off.
To destroy or end something completely.
The disease killed off most of the crop. Knock down.
To hit and cause to fall, to demolish. They knocked down the old building.
Knock off.
To stop working or to reduce a price. Let's knock off early today.
Knock out.
To make someone unconscious or to eliminate. The boxer knocked out his opponent.
Knock over.
To cause something to fall over. The cat knocked over the vase.
Knuckle down.
To start working hard and seriously. It's time to knuckle down and study.